Hello friends, my name is Deepak Goyal. Welcome to our channel. Today we will solve the problem missing and repeating numbers. So let's read the problem statement. We have given an array of size n. The elements of the array are in range from 1 to n. Okay. Ideally, the array should contain elements from 1 to n, but due to some miscalculations, there is a number r in the range 1 to n which appears in the array twice and another number m in the range which is missing from the array. Okay. So simply we have given an array in which there are n elements 1 to n and in which the one element is missing and one element is appeared twice. So we have to find out that two elements missing and duplicate. You can see this example. We have given elements from 1 to 6, but in which the array should contain elements from 1 to 6. Here 2 is not present and 5 is appeared twice. So we have to return these two elements, duplicate and missing. So first thing, uh, I will declare a vector in which I store the count of each element, and after this I will traverse that vector. If the count of any element is 0, then I can say it is our missing, and the count of any element is 2, that I can say it is our duplicate. So it's very easy. So let's code it. First of all, I will declare a vector of size n plus 1, comma, and I initialize all element is 0. I take a size of vector of n plus 1, not n, because we have given an array are in the range of from 1 to n, not 0 to n minus 1. Let's suppose I have given 6 element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If we have to store the count of 6, then I have to store the count of 6 in the index 6. So that's why I have to take a vector of n plus 1. So if I take a length of 7, then I can store the element 6 in the index 6. So now simply I will run a for loop for int I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, and store the count of each element in the vector v. So v of uh, array I plus plus means I am increment the count of each element. Now I will again run a for loop for int I equal to 1, I less than v dot size, I plus plus. If v of I equal to 0, then I can say it is our missing element. So missing equal to I. And if v of I is equal to 2, then I can say it is our duplicate element. So I can say duplicate equal to I, and simply I will return a pair of missing comma duplicate. And first let's declare as these variables int missing, int duplicate. So let's run it. It is showing me compilation error. If v of I, okay. So we have to write parenthesis after 0. Now again run it. Yeah, it is running fine. Let's submit it. It is accepted. So the time complexity is big O of n, and the space complexity is also big O of n. So uh, Here we are using extra space, so we can reduce this space. So let's see another approach. So in next approach, we will solve this problem without using any extra space. So we have given a number from 1 to n in which one number is missing and one number is a duplicate. So we have to find out these two number m and d, that is missing and duplicate. So you must have studied in class 10 that sum of uh, number from 1 to n is n plus 1 by 2. So now what we will do, we will generate two equations in which there will be two variable m and d, missing and duplicate. And by solve these two equations, we will find our missing and duplicate numbers. So first equation can be generated by that the sum of integers from 1 to n is n plus 1 by 2. We have given n, so we can easily find the sum of integers. And after this, we will find the sum of array by run a for loop. So, uh, so now we have Sn, which is n plus 1 by 2, and we have S, which is sum of this integer by run a for loop. So now Sn equal to S minus m plus t. Do you agree with me? Because Sn is the n plus 1 by 2, sum of integers from 1 to n, and S is the sum of integer of array minus m because one element is missing, and plus t because one number is duplicate. So one equation is Sn equal to S minus m plus t. In the same way, we can uh, generate another equation because we know that the sum of square of element from 1 to n is n plus 1 to n plus 1 by 6. So in the same way, we have given n, so we can easily find n plus 1 to n plus 1 by 6. And along with s, we can find s2, which is the square of each element. So our s2n equal to s2 minus m square plus d square, because m is the missing number and d is the duplicate number. So in this way, we have two equations, and in which there are two variables m and d, and by solving this, we can find out our missing and duplicate number. So this is your homework. Please write your code in the comment box, and thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.